Hi, and welcome to a new short, quick video, specifically on how to reset the service on this Mercedes W204. Built in 2010. I would honestly just go ahead and say right
Quick
here and
heads
now.
up before the video starts. Don't be surprised about the quality differences between the videos we upload. Sometimes one will be good quality, other times it'll be poorer. One that's poor quality because we're uploading new and old car tutorial videos at the same time, but we've improved and recut the older ones, since a lot of the footage needed fixing and we wanted to bring them up to our current standards. What was unnecessary was cut out, and they're now being uploaded one after another. So, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I'd say let's get back to the video.
Scroll left to the color icon, phone, and press OK. Then we get in here. So now we go into Assist Plus Full Service. Then we go to confirm the service. Okay, oil quality carried out. Now let's go to Yes. No reset possible, confirm. Full service carried out. Service data. Alright then. Now we can see that everything has been reset quite nicely. Then we will simply go back right here and we are all finished now. Alright guys, and that's how fast you can reset the service. There are two different, actually even three different versions I think. I've got it pulled up on the computer, specifically with a multifunction steering wheel, without a multifunction steering wheel, up to 2010 from 2010 on. Yeah, this is the 2010 model with a multifunction steering wheel, and yeah. If you have any questions, write that down in the comments. Yeah, it was a bit harder to film because of the buttons, and because the zoom was focused on them the whole time. And we'll see how we edit it, or rather, you've already seen it. And yeah, I'm gonna head out. Watch the videos, leave a sub, and see you next time. Bye.